Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you another package I received from TEMU, another order. So let's see what we got here. So we got in this package 2 items, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items. All those 8 items were a total of $6.53 plus tax, $7.04. The deal was about this thing. Let's see, yes, this is the one. Got a little booklet here, not interesting. Okay, so this was 5 cents. So it was okay. So what this is, it's an adapter, USB adapter converter from 18 volts to 5 volts USB. So you can see here, probably. Type-C connection, 18 watts. Output to the Makita 18 volts. That's all they say. Okay. So this is how this works. This is a Makita battery for a drill gun or power tools, basically. It's fully charged. So how this works, it just slides over, and here's a button, a power button. You can see here the power turned on, so now it's active. So now you just plug something in and charge it or run it. For example, I got this fan here, so I plug it in here, starts running. Let's see, if I plug it in and I press the power button, it turns off. The light turn off. So on, light on, off, on, off. Oh, nice. Here is to hang it on a belt. If you wanna have it with you while working, you hang it on a belt, put a belt through it, and hang it on your belt, and you have the charging. To get this for 99% off, which was 0.05 cents, I had to order 7 other items. So I'm gonna show the rest of the 7 items. It's a ceramic tile sealer. So what this does, when you put the tiles, you have that gap in between, and then you grout it. You put grout, and then you have different colors. So what you do, you just put this tip in, or maybe this is a replacement tip. So let's see if it has a tip. Yeah, it's got a tip. So you shake it, and then you press it in. When you press it in, the liquid starts coming out, and then you just go mark it on the grout. I'm not gonna do that now because I'm not gonna use it right now, and they do dry. And I will keep it for later when I use it. And this is another tip, a different tape. And it's got this thing here, so that goes in, this is out. So that's how this works. This pen was 99 cents. The next item is this marker here, white permanent marker. You can see white permanent marker. Here's some Chinese characters, whatever that means, I don't know. And let's see, is it a small tip? Oh yeah, it's a very fine small tip. So a permanent marker. So let's do so, like mark the tools. Okay. Wait a little bit and they try to raise it. It did come a little bit, that's it. Yeah, the thicker part comes off. So I guess either needs more time or, but I think all the markers do that. So anyway, this marker was 70 cents. USB multifunctional 3-in-1 USB cable. So this is the second one I got. I got another one. They do work really good. I like them because you have a USB-C, micro USB, and lightning port, and you don't have to keep swapping the cables when you charge different things into the same USB port. So you just plug them in and that's it. But this was $1.49. Now here we got a little waterproof pill holder or small stuff that you need to carry around. So this was 87 cents. It's aluminum made and just like that. Just like it's got a little gasket here so it seals it tight so no water can get inside. It's this 6-in-1 multi-tool pen utility pen. So this was a total of 88 cents. What it does is got measuring tape here. Okay, so twisting it brings out the pen side, and it's got a little level here, a little water bubble level, and this is for using it on iPad, touchpad. But then let's see, because it's got more. Okay, here's got a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and this flat screwdriver. Okay, it says 16-1, so this is 1, this is 2, maybe this is 3. So we're writing 5 and 6. I guess that's it. So 88 cents for this thing. Next thing on the list, it's a luggage strap, 1-piece luggage strap. It was 79 cents. So what this does is a little carabiner here, and you hook it up on your purse, belt. It says luggage strap, but it's more like you hook up a jacket here or something. You just wrap it around and you hang it on your purse and it just stays there. That's what they show in the advertising. Now the next item on the list, it's this little box. It says battery storage, plastic battery storage container. Okay, so it's not AA. Right here. Yep, this is for AAA battery. So you put them here, you put them here, fill it up. I don't know how many batteries can take. Probably 2 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So about 14 on one side, 14 on the other side. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please share. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you. Bye.